Wow, super. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Prabhu. Okay. Yes, try everybody. If you done, let me know. If you having any error message, let me know. We'll try to settle. Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Okay. So those are already familiar for a big data. Please bear with us because somebody doesn't know about Python. For that only, I will teach from the basic level. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, okay. I go for adding one more code window. This code window. Before code window, I want to add one text window. This text window, I want to give the title over the particular program. Okay. For example, let me go for a give the title. Okay, so if you want to delete this window, you can click the delete button. If you don't want this window, just click the delete button. Okay, now I go for adding text box. Text box giving the title only. Okay, you cannot type the program in the text box, it won't execute it. Okay, so here for example, let me go for a typing simple Python program. Okay, just I give the title simple Python program. Okay. Now I go for adding one more code. This program especially used for display um, your name. Okay. So for example, how you are going to display your name means, so for example, read the information from the user and then go for display. Okay. So just I go for giving the information. Print. Okay. Just I go for typing one variable name. See, when I start typing, see the artificial intelligence, it will be guide you. So don't go for a tab button to replace all the coding. As a beginner, you type for your program. Then only you know about what are the statement you are going to typing. Okay. See, I'm not typing anything. See the artificial Google Colab. This is artificial intelligence application. It will be guide you. See, after name, how you are going to typing the program. It will be help you. Okay. See, name equal to input. What is your name? Print hello and then if I want means you can click the tab button, it will be replace all the coding, but don't go for like this. Okay, so better you type. Okay, input. After that, for example, let me type enter your name. After that colon parenthesis enter. Okay, now I am going to printing the information. Print name. Okay, see the coding. Now I extend my coding. First line is input method. Print method which is used to display the information to the screen, output window. Input method which is used to waiting for getting information from you. Okay, once you type the information and then hit the enter button, that information is assigned to this variable. Okay, so name, after that it go for first line, it will be execute. What is the task for this line? It will be read the information from the user. Okay, for example, let me go for typing the information. City Labs. Okay, see, once I type the information for the particular text box, okay, after that it will be waiting. Until you hit the enter button, it will be waiting. Once you hit the enter button, then the interpreter go and check the second line. Okay, it will be like a sequential flow of execution. First line, second line, third line until end of the program. Okay, so now it will be go for assigning. What is the task of this line means? Getting the information that is used for input method. input method which is used to reading the information from the keyboard. Okay, after reading the information, see what I'm did here, name which is equal. Whatever information I read, that information which is assigned to name. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here after that I want to display the whatever information I read, I want to display the information to the output screen. So now that information is displayed. So here I go for display the name here. I'm not putting any quotation mark. Quotation mark representation for string. Without quotation mark means whatever value in that variable, it will be displayed. So it will be displayed City Labs like this. Okay. Yes, everybody please try this program. Let me share. Okay, good. Oh, too fast. Sorry. No worry, no worry. I will control. Okay, so please try. Those who are done. Okay, try one more program. Okay. Okay. So yes, please try this program. If you done, let me know. Those are done. Just try for this exercise. I want to display your information like name colon, your name, age colon, your age, email colon, your email, mobile colon, and then your mobile number. Okay, so 4 information I need. Yes, try this program. Later I will share that information. Later I will share the coding to you. Okay, please try this program. Use different variable. Name, you can use name variable. See, I use for initial letter, capital letter. If you go for small letter, all small letter, go ahead. If you use initial letter, capital letter means here also you can go for using like that. Okay. So this variable name is a case sensitive. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Python is a case sensitive language. Okay. I already told you, no, interpreter. Okay. The job of interpreter is one is read the program line by line. Okay, so first line it will be read. If there is no error is there means it will be go for reading the second line. If no error is there means third line until end of the line. Okay, if suppose any error is there, it will be stop the execution and then show the information to the user. Okay, I will demonstrate you. Okay, see, in that's a close parenthesis is needed, but I delete the close parenthesis there. Okay, I go for run the program here. See what happened. See, the interpreter show the error message to you. What the error? Syntax error. See, what is the syntax error explanation? Open parenthesis was never closed. If you open the parenthesis, you must close. So it show this is called for syntax error. Syntax means like if we go for using the statement like that means you must follow the rules and regulation. If any violation means it show for a syntax error. Okay. See the syntax error, it will be identified. arrow mark is representation. No, this is the issues happen like this. Okay. If I close means no issues. If I go for run, see, there is no error. Once this line error occur means it won't be printed anything. So this is a specialty for interpreter. Interpreter first check the syntax of the program. If there is no more error, it will be converted to machine readable format, because still at the time computer understand machine language only. Okay, if I know Malay language, I can communicate to Malay to you. If I know English, I communicate to English. There is a communication purpose. Okay, similar, if we are going to communicate to machine means we type hi machine, how are you? But internally, this message will be converted to machine code. Machine means zeros and ones representation. Each and every code which is converted, there is one decimal number is there. This decimal number which is converted to binary, there is a zeros and ones representation. This zeros and ones representation only computer understand. Okay, so whatever you type, okay, in interpreter, okay, so interpreter, one job is detecting the error. Another job is converting the information to machine readable format. This machine only which is will be processing. Okay, it will be do the processing. Again, it will be written back to output. Okay, see this one, it will be asking, it will be keep on waiting until you give the name. Okay, for example, let me go for giving the city labs here. Okay, so just I type the city labs. Once I type the information, click the enter button, then the value will be assigned to name variable, and then interpreter go to execute the second line. Okay, in the second line, whatever information is available, that information is printed here. Okay, suppose for example, in this situation, I go for printing the age here. See, I'm not assigning any age here, but I try to display the age here. See what happened? City labs, we type. See, something happened to me. Name is assigned successfully, read and then assign successfully. And then here information is displayed successfully. But what happened to third line? Third line, I tried to display the age here. But age values not assigning before the statement. So what this shows? Name error. Name error means see, age is not defined. Okay, I try to display the value for age, but value is not defined previously. So for that only, the interpreter show the information. So this is a job for interpreter. So it will be have line by line. But another one is that there is a compiler. Compiler, that is what is the difference between a interpreter as well as a compiler? 1 minute, please. Okay, sorry. Yes. See, okay, coming to the compiler. Okay, so compiler also, that is a job for a error checking and then converting to machine readable format. But what is the specialty for compiler means interpreter it do for line by line. But compiler one shot it compile all the lines and then identify what are the errors that, and then it will be show to what are the places the error is occurred everything. Okay, there is a difference between interpreter and then compiler. Okay, so this Python is a interpreter programming language. Okay, yes, try everybody able to do for this one. Those are done. Please share your coding to our WhatsApp group. Let me try to see. Those are already done. Please. Wow, super. Thank you, Miss Mr. Shafiq. Okay, okay. Error is coming. Okay, what error? Okay, email, mobile number. No error, right? Fine, great. Yes, those are done, please. Okay. Okay, super. Great. Great, Miss Ada, right? Okay, fine. Okay, let me try. Okay, so I told you, no, I want to display the information. Just I go for a editing here. Those are not done. Okay, so equal. Let me try. Input, for example, enter your name. Okay, after that, here, if you start for a beginner level means don't copy paste anywhere. Try to type. How much you struggle, how much you facing the error message, that much you familiar. That much you become a genius. Okay. So go for typing. Even though Google Colab given the suggestion to you, don't trust anybody. Okay. So see to that. Even though artificial intelligence, you can trust for only 80% only. But the pending 20% no, you only put the effort. Okay, so coming to enter your age. Enter your age. Okay, let me type age, colon, and then email, which is equal input, enter your email, email address. Okay, after that, equal input, enter your contact number. Okay, that's it. Great. So better whenever you go for the developing your programming for basic level means better you can go with the one by one line execution. Okay. So see, I read all the information assigning the value. Let me go for a execute. There is no error, so it will be asking. For example, City Labs age, for example, 2001, so around 24 years old. Email address, for example, let me go for typing citylabs@gmail.com. So contact number, for example, just I type some number like this. Okay. See, there is no more error is there, so it won't display anything because so far I typing only the information, just reading information only. Okay, now I am going to display the information. For example, print. Let me go for typing the information. Name, colon, comma. I want to formatting my data. So before that, I'm not putting any information before the actual value. So I want to display name colon. After that, I want to adding the data. So now I go for adding like this. So now I'll go for run this. You are the beginner means do like this. Okay. So for example, let me go for City Labs. Okay, 24 years old. So citylabs@gmail.com. After that, for example, typing the number. See the output. Successfully, I received the output. See the output? Name colon. For that only I use here like this. Before that, I'm not using. Just I directly type the information. Whatever value is there, it will be displayed. But now what happened? I want to display like a name colon. After that, adding the actual reading data. So similar, I go for typing the rest. Age colon comma age is similar print email address email colon. So let me go for aligning like this. So after colon I put one comma one space, so it will be looking see like this need. Without space means I put one space. Without space means it will be combined. It's not looking like nice. Okay. For that only after colon I leave one space. After that quotation mark comma. So after that email. Okay. So finally print of phone number. Okay. Colon comma. So here mobile. Now I go for run the program. So let me type City Labs. After that, 24 years old, City Labs at gmail.com. So contact number, for example, let me type number and then press enter button. See the output? Name, colon, City Labs, age, colon, age, email, and then phone number like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. So here, actually, whatever display, no. So it will be decided for user only. Okay. So here, no need for you type here also mobile number. Okay. You can type anything. But actual value getting, no, that variable should be same as what you are going to assigning. Okay. So try this program, everybody. Those are not done, please try. Those are done. Thank you so much for your response. Now, okay, those are already done. Try for one program. Okay, addition of two number program. Okay, now, okay, see why I am giving hash symbol means a hash symbol is a like for example, whenever I this is not option, this is a optional one only. Why I am giving the title over the program means, okay, small program you can able to, when you see the program itself, you can able to see, oh, this is a personal information program. Suppose just imagine your program having 1 million of coding. Okay, so you doesn't know about anything about the particular program. Okay, how you understand what is the task of the program in order to read the line by line. If you are the programmer, you can able to understand the program after go through all the statement. Sometimes it is tough, but you are not having that much knowledge. You are not a programmer. How you understand what is the task of the program in order to giving the title over the particular program? So my suggestion, whenever you can go for creating any program, give the title. So for that only hash symbol. The hash symbol which is used is the comment line, single line comment line. If you want to write any notes, if you want to write any title, if you want to write any explanation about the lines means you can using for the particular command line. Even a multi-line command line also is that there is a triple double quotation mark which is used for multi-line command line. Okay, see, I want to type. Okay, so here write Python program to one minute. It's not sharing. You able to see my screen? Everybody able to see my screen?
No.
Yes?
No, my side.
No, okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. If anything happen means let me know, please. Okay.
Hello,
Yes,
Miss Radha.
yes, yes.
I'm just wondering when are we going to start on data analytic?
Soon, soon.
Because we have already 48 minutes into the course and we haven't do anything about data analytic yet.
Please wait. Let me just explain the others how we are going to using the Colab. After that, I will go to data analysis part. Okay,
All right.
sorry.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, you
sorry.
have been spending quite a
Yeah.
lot of time on the basic Python. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. We
sorry,
need to go
sorry.
to the data analytic. All right. Okay. Bye.
Okay, sorry. Okay. So coming back here. Okay, yes, understand everybody? Okay. Those that completed, please try this program. Okay, so just addition of two number using Python program. Okay, so similar here. So read the first number, second number. After that, you can go for adding the number and then display the output. Okay. So here, so far we are going to display only for reading the information, display the information. Here, I added for one more task. The task is addition of that number and then display. Yes, try everybody. You can give, for example, like num1 equal input enter first number and then num2 which is equal input enter second number. Okay, now so I don't want here this coding. Okay, now I want to display the result. Result equal num1 plus num2. After that, go for display the result. Yes. Now run the program. Okay, first number let me give 5. Second number let me give 10. See the output. Oh my God. Okay, what happened? 5, 10. Actually, it will be displayed for 15 only. What happened? It show 510. But my program is correct. There is no error message. What happened? Any guesses? See, I read the number first, second number, go for adding with using the arithmetic operator, just adding the numbers and then store the result to result value variable. And then here I go for printing the information properly. What happened? I couldn't receive the result 15. Yes, what happened? Any guesses? Because what happens means, see, input method always return the string. Even though I pass the 5, it will be represent 5 is a one string. 10 is a another string. If we go for a, okay, let me go with one more cell. Okay, see, let me, hello, okay, one come, okay, see, hello, plus, plus world. See the output, hello plus world. That means I want to add two strings. If we go for adding two strings means it will be combined. Similar input method always return the strings only. So 5 is like a string. So I go for a display 5 plus 10 means 5 is a string, 10 is a string. So it will be combine both the string. But I don't want to combine. I want to do the number conversion. If you go for number conversion means you use the one method, that method which is used to convert your data to some other data type. Okay. Because num1 having string, num2 also having string. I convert the string to number. For that only integer data type. This is an explicit conversion topic. Okay. Now what happens means string 5 converted to number. String 10 is converted to number. Okay. Now 5 plus 10 means, for example, let it go for a here. Now, I go for a 5 plus 10, normal addition operation. See, 5 is number, 10 also number, it will be display 15. Similar, this is the concepts here. 5 converted to integer number, 10 is converted to integer number. Both is integer, so result also integer. If we go for run the program, see the output, 5 and then 10. Now you can get 15. So this is a trick. Okay. So here, if we start the basic level means similar. Small things, if you concentrate means definitely you can become well-versed for that particular programming. Okay. So here, let me share this program as well. Please try. Okay, so this is the way we use for the Colab notebook. Okay, so this is a basic programming. Later, I will share the my basic programming Colab notebook. Everybody, okay. Let me share this one as well. Okay, wait. Let me share. See, this collab especially I created for you people. Okay, so this collab window, like how I am now recently I developing no. So similar I having for notes as well as a programming. Even exercise also I having. This is a basic level. Okay, basic introduction. How to use operator, variable, data types, and then control statements and all. Okay, so here just go through this Colab notebook for your reference as well. Okay. So comment line, see the comments lines. Single line comment line also is there. Multi-line comment line also is there. This is a single line comment line. So if you go for triple double quotation mark, this is a multi-line comment line. Multiple line of comments if you want means like this. Okay. This is a one small programming which is display for messages, and then here I created, I used the command line for what is the purpose for the program, who develop, when develop, everything I will added here. So like that, this is a best practice. Okay, this is optional only. But if we go for a like that practice means uh, like a like a professionalist, it automatically coming. Okay. So here, these are the small program which I created for you people only. Okay, let me share this Colab notebook. Whenever you free, just you go for run, and then if you want to edit means you can edit as well. So why I use this Colab notebook means it will be easily shareable. Okay, so you can share this to any people. Okay, where it is share option. If we click here, 1 minute, I already copy paste. Okay, yes, I will share everybody. Okay. So if we click that link, no, it automatically open for my Colab notebook. Okay, so you can able to see my whatever I do the changes. You can able to see whatever having the program. So you can able to do editing everything for your side as well. Okay, whatever I typing in the Colab notebook, no. So this automatically link between my drive. Okay, so it automatically stored to my drive. So no need to save your Colab whatever you information. Okay, it automatically whatever you do anything it automatically save here. If I want to download this Colab notebook means for example I want to download this one. Okay, recently I typed no, so I want to download entire file. Click file menu. After that, go for download option. So there are two options. One is you can download like a Colab notebook. That's a notebook file itself. Otherwise, you can download as a Python file. Okay. If I go for a IPy notebook means you can able to open the file for any notebook editor. Otherwise, you can open any Colab Colab as well as a Jupyter notebook. If you download for Python file means so if you have a Python software means you can able to open the Python file as well as you can able to open for any notebook. Okay, so just I downloaded both version. See, I open this file, right click and then open with. Just I go for open with any option. Otherwise, simple any editor you can use to open. Just I open with the notepad just once. See the Python file. See whatever I typing in the cell. No, every programming is coming one shot. This file is a Python file. If you go for notebook file means you can open the notebook file for any other Colab. Otherwise, Jupyter notebook. Okay. So this is a way we can download the information. Okay. So this is a basic level. Okay. I already shared that basic information. Please go through that one. If you have any
Hey,
doubts,
Miss Rada.
clarification. Yeah. Yeah.
We
Yes.
can't see your screen actually. It's been freeze for a while.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Able to see? Yes. Able to see?
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet. Wait, wait a minute. Now can you able to see? Yes, everybody able to see my
Brother, the
screen?
connection is lagging.
We are going to develop simple Python programming. Just I created here. Just you can go for a still loading. One minute. Yes. So especially created for just you can go for a simple program only. You can go for editing your side as well. Okay. So that's it for basic concept. Okay. So here, especially this class, I go for using data analysis. Okay. So data analysis I use for downloading the data from that is a repository. Okay. So what is mean by data repository means lot of people they can store their data for access to the others for free. Okay, so different kind of repositories are available. For example, for example, just to go for browser and then type Kaggle. If we go for a typing Kaggle, this is one of the repository, so which having plenty of data. Data set. What is mean by data set? Means collection of data which is there in the places. Okay. So this Kaggle especially, let me share everybody this one. Okay. See, I already shared in this repository especially machine learning purpose. Okay, so here this repository which having like a data set as well as like a collab notebook, coding also is there, everything is there, like me, like you, developer, they can develop their coding with using the data set, and then they can upload their information for those are coming for the researchers, beginning researchers, means they can have for reference for this site as well. Okay, this especially not only Kaggle one. Okay, so just to go for typing data repository. If we go for typing data repository, see plenty of repository which is available. So digital and then repository and then UCAI. Okay, I think no. Kaggle. So different kind of data repository which is available. Data set. Okay, let me type data set. See, top level is Kaggle. Okay, so here data set is available. Data set search is available. Tableau is available. So different kind of repository which is available. You can go for using. If you go for any government bodies, means you can government website. Governments also they can uploading their own data sets. Generally, that the data sets which are having the CSV file, like Excel file, common separated file. Information is stored for like a rows and then column manner only. Plenty of information. Okay, you can go for a that repository and then get the data sets for your reference. If you have your own data sets, no problem. You can go for do with your own data for analysis. Otherwise, you can get from some other database and then do the analysis for the practice purpose. Okay. So today we are going to go for a download any data sets and then do the analysis only. Okay. For example, I go for a see the panel data set. So if I click data set, see if we go for a scroll down, these are the plenty of data set is available. For example, let me go for a forest health and then ecology data set, data science salaries set data sets. So these are the recent data set is available. No, I don't want this kind of data set. Okay, I want to search my related information. For example, let me go for a car price prediction data set. Car price prediction. See, I can able to type information based on if that information is available, it will be listed. See the information, car price prediction challenges, car price prediction data set. That is especially this particular cars, like that information and all is available. See, updated for 7 months ago, only 3 years ago. The person which is updated that particular also available, how many CSV files which is also available, everything they can display. Okay, let me go for this data one. Yes, so everybody please go for this one. Even I share this as well. Okay. See, I want to predict the car price. Okay. So here, see, there are tabs which is available, data card, code, and then discussion. Okay. So discussion, there is a forum is available. You can go for typing your information. The persons know the answer. They will reply you. Okay. If you scroll down, okay, everybody please click the link and then go to the Google data set repository and then car price prediction data set. See, if you scroll down means see the car reduction, that is a data set is available. See, if you scroll down, see name, year, selling price, kilometer driven, and then fuel types, everything is available. So if you see the summary part 1.5, 12 column is available. If I want to use this particular CSV file for my that is a analysis means just go for download. See, there is a download button is available. No, if we click download button, it automatically downloaded. Once downloaded, you can able to open the particular file. See, okay, let me open the file here. Okay, just I double click the file. See the file like this is a CSV file, common separated value file, not exact Excel file. Okay, so here name, these are the column title: name, year, selling price, kilometer, fuel types, seller type, either individual. So otherwise, see, if you scroll down, the data is a little huge. See, 8,129 rows is available. Minus 1, 8,128 data is available. Now, see, this is a big data. Like if you have your own data means you can go for a have the practice like that. For everybody understanding, just I go for a taking this car prediction data sets. Okay. So here, let me go for a here. How we are going to developing a analysis with our Colab will be seen. Okay. So now everybody download this car that is a price reduction data set. So after that, see data card which is having CSV file. If I want to know exactly what are the codings means, see there is a code is there. If we click code, different people they can because the data set is available. The way of do analysis, how they go for analysis, it will be vary. Okay, see different kind of people they can develop the coding. Okay, so let me go with the first car price. This one 2 days ago. Okay, they can develop the project and then upload it. Okay, if you go for a start your journey for fresher means have a practice from this repository. Okay, okay, this part. Okay, now see these are the coding part. Later I will explain what are the things which has happened. See, they can this is a coding part like a cell. They can developing the information. And then here there is a what are the information which is available, that is available here. See these converting information to pictorial format, selling price and then distribution year and then kilometers driven and then mileages. Each and every information they can convert it to pictorial format. This is analysis part. So finally, how many out of that big data, that is out of that is 8,000 data here, how many information? See, similar. So this is a way we are doing a data analysis. This is a sample. Okay. Similar, plenty of the way of you are going to converting the data to different kind of charts and all is available. Okay, I will explain for basic level. Later, you can try for your side. Okay. So this is a way we are going to do like this only. Okay, so this is a model. Okay, now coming back to our swan. Okay, now let me talk about the machine learning. Okay, because our data is there, I give the instruction to the machine to do analysis for my data. So understand everybody to how we are going to getting the data from repository depends on your wish. Okay, so you can apply for your own data as well as you can apply for getting information from a repository as well. Okay, so here. Okay, now, so this is a part. Okay, when go for do the pre-processing for the machine learning. Machine learning means I feed the information to machine. Machine will be reply to you. So machine learning will be different types. For example, supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, reinforcement machine learning. Supervised machine learning means, like for example, I give the model data and then information for a processing information as well. Okay, from the model data, machine will be understanding your request. For example, let a small example. I store for the different shapes picture along with the different uh, name of the picture. That is the shapes of the picture. And then I tell the machine, this is a square picture. This is a rectangle. This is a model of my data. Okay, the model of data is called it for the like a train, that is a training data. Okay, after that, from the model, I give the information to machine. These are the shapes of the picture. This is if I ask any question, you refer the model and then tell the output to me. Okay, now I ask the testing my machine. Okay, I just show the one triangle picture to machine. Just tell me this picture name. So what machine will be do means it will be go and refer, that is a supervised machine learning. It will be go and refer the model and then identify the rectangle picture and then your shapes. So if it is match means it is not a 100% match. Okay, keep it in your mind. Machine learning, it not a 100% pure exactly. It will be have for that 90%, 95% most accurate information only. Okay, now the machine will be replied to this is a rectangle. If you show the rectangle picture means because the model is available, it refer the model. This is a supervised machine learning. But in the case of unsupervised machine learning, whatever information you feed, no, from the information it will be it will be do the analysis. For example, another example, I just give the information for colors of ball, 5 colors of ball to the machine. I'm not giving this ball is this color and that. Just input I give. From that input, I go for classified to red color balls, green color balls, and then white color balls, yellow color balls. So from my data, I am not giving model of data to machine learning previously. From my data, it will be go for detecting. Based on the data, it will be categorized. That is unsupervised machine learning. Coming for the third one, that is reinforcement machine learning. So reinforcement machine learning depends on the situation. Okay, it depends on the situation of that one. The questions which will be asked, no. So depends on the one, it will be go for taking the decisions. Okay, so these are the different kind of machine learning. Depends on one, each and every categories of machine learning, they can having the subtypes as well. Okay, coming to this processing of data. Okay, now I go for a data is available. Okay, my data is available. I am going to do the analysis. Okay, I cannot simply give that information to machine. I want to pre-process my information. Because machine, my data, for example, I am having the text information, I am having the number information of data, I am having some fractional number of information data. So I want to categorize my data to same format. Suppose in my data, there is a missing data which is also available, some mismatched data also available, irrelevant data also available. There is an IC of data. Okay. So I want to delete all the information. I want to modify all the information. I want to do what are the gaps which is available in my information. No, I do pre-processing data. Why I pre-processing means if I pre-processing, machine able to understand easily my data. And then one more thing, if you go for do the huge number of data analysis means your information will be more accurate. Less amount means it will be having the less only. Okay. So, but it will be show the result only at the end. Okay. Coming to pre-processing. When go for pre-processing, you must having some steps. One step is you need the data. Either you getting from somewhere, otherwise you can use for the your own data. Another one is the libraries. Libraries are very, very important. So I already told you know why Python is a most leading language means in order to having the huge number of packages, huge number of models. The all the models which is under the separate libraries. Okay, from the library which is having different kind of method, like so far we use the input method, print method. No, similar each and every data concepts they can having their own libraries. For example, if I go for drawing any charts means, for example, static charts like bar chart, pie chart means I go for using matplot library, uh, importing that library to my program. So otherwise, if I want to go for a advanced level library charts means I go for a Seaborn library. These two library especially used for graphics purpose. Okay. Another one is, for example, data is available. My data is like a CSV file only, like a Excel file only. Otherwise, notebook, any format, Excel file, notebook, otherwise some other format also. Okay. I want to convert my data to machine readable format. So generally, it will be converted to arrays only. So if you go for handling arrays means there is a one library which is available, NumPy library. In that NumPy library, especially it will be go for two-dimensional arrays. Like data is converted to rows and columns representation. It will be easily to categorize for that only. Okay. And then after that, so importing the data set, after that you can finding the missing data. Okay, finding the missing data means for example, in my data set I don't know. Okay, because even if recently we discussed, no, there is a car prediction, price prediction. See, 800 row of information, 8,000 row of information, 8,000 plus row of information is available. Okay, I couldn't able to see each and every row. It will be tedious for checking everything. So I feed the information to machine. Go and check whether missing data is available or irrelevant data is available, detecting the information. Once detected, I will fill up the gap. If missing data is available means there is a technique is available. Okay. So for example, we can calculate the mean value and then average standard deviation value we put. Otherwise, if missing data is there means I will take the decision for remove the entire row. But my suggestion means don't remove any data, make to fill up the information. Okay. So coming to missing data, this is the third one. Okay. Finding missing data. Once finding the missing data, so you can go for either you can using some technique to fill up the gap. Okay. Either you can missing data, replacing the missing data. Otherwise, you can deleting the missing data. You can take two decision. Okay. So after that, categorical data. Yes, I already told you, know, your information in car prediction information as well. See the car prediction, the information is like see the title. Okay, okay, wait. 1 minute. See, names of the car is a string data type. Year is number. Selling price is number. So here also number. Fuel is a string. So different data is available, different type of data is available. So I convert this data to same category. Okay, for example, I convert for the all the name of the cars is one. For example, if it is Toyota, means all the Toyota cars is I represent one. And then pending is numbers only. Okay, fuel type means, for example, diesel, otherwise petrol. Fuel type 1 is representation for diesel, 2 is representation for petrol. So I categorize all the information to same data type. That is coming for encoding the categorical data. So after encoding, this is a part. Okay, from 8,000, how I go for a splitting my data. Okay, so that is called it for training test and then a testing set. Training the set means like I already told you, know, that is a model. Okay, for example, in this 8,000, let me go for giving the 6,000 data for training, 2,000 data for testing. Why I giving most, that is a big part for training and then small part for testing means I already told you, know, if you go for do analysis for big data, your information will be more accurate. So I convert my data to that is a training set as well as a testing set. So finally I go for using the prediction, future prediction, that is called it for future scaling. So this is a behind for the data processing. Okay. So here I given small example here. See how we are going to importing the library, how we are going to just what are the important for importing library and all is that. Okay. So just let me share this as well. 1 minute. 1 minute. I share this file you everybody. Okay, so this is also basic level only. So each and every things is a okay. So here I use the dot set data. Okay. Okay. So yes. So this is a part we are going to discuss. Okay. Take a 15 minutes break and then we'll go for data analysis part. Okay. Yes, everybody. In the meanwhile, I will share my data set as well. Okay. So all of you, we use for the same data set will uh, work on this particular Google Colab data processing concept. Okay. So please just open that this data processing Colab notebook and then later I will share the data set.csv file and then what are the data that is a CSV file we are going to using this particular one. No, I will share in that WhatsApp group. You download for your PC as well. Okay. Yes, take a 15 minutes break and then we'll start. Okay, everybody.
Miss Radha,
Yes, yes.
will you will share this file to us later, is it?
Yeah,
This one?
now I will share
Okay.
now. No worry, no
Okay,
worry.
okay, thank
Yes.
you.
Welcome, welcome.